Okay, it's 20 to 12 on Friday the 27th, 8th, I don't know, something like that. And we went from a 15% chance of rain to a 70%. And this is what it usually looks like when these clouds start cropping up over the top of the mountains there. And one of our customers just came through, I gotta go. But this is kind of what it looks like when we start getting into that serious rain season. So we'll see what happens this afternoon. 70% chance. Just about 1 o'clock, still at work. Wanted to show you what it looks like right now. Just looked at the updated weather. It says 90% chance now. And it looks like things should really start firing up around 3 o'clock just as we close. So I'll keep an eye on it for you. I noticed it got a little dark in the yard, and so I looked up and we have a nice big dark cloud right above us here. Hopefully it'll wait until everybody leaves at a little after 3. But it just does what it does when it does it. We're getting some pretty good outflow from this system to the north of Green Valley. It's up near, Sahuarita and maybe points north of that. Just had a couple of pretty good claps of thunder over there. And it is about 2:30. Keep an eye on it. Okay guys, now we have a pretty heavy rain curtain just out to the east. See it right there? North is kind of obscured by this tree, but you can see it's still dark out that way. Now we have this big rain curtain up against the Santa Rita Mountains there off to the east. And I think I even see a little bit down to the south there. So we'll see what happens. Okay guys, just driving home from work and it is raining. See on my windshield there, big drops. 320. Well, I can smell it on the hot pavement. This is welcome. Hopefully we'll get more. Oh, I better roll up my windows here. Bear with me just a second. There we go. Anyway, a little bit. Let's see what happens. It's just 20 after 3. Okay, just got to my house a couple minutes later. You can hear the rain on the car, and my driveway is all wet already. So just showing you what's going on. See what might come up next. At this moment, we're getting a nice little shower. No lightning or thunder to speak of at my location. You can see out across the valley there, Santa Cruz Valley, what it looks like. I just looked and we had 2/100 of an inch. I'm sure we're going to get a few more hundreds with this rain. We'll see if we get any more. Zooming in so you can see the rain. That was just a flash of lightning. Across the freeway, it's really obscured. Oh, more lightning just above me here. You can see in the pool. It's raining pretty hard right now. In the last hour, we've had 1/1500 of an inch so far. 1/1500 of an inch. You just heard the thunder. Good, nice rain falling. A little bit of thunder and lightning, but that's great. We need it. Okay, there's the little weather center. We just went from 0.2 to 0.21. So from 0.20 to 0.21, just as we looked here. And you can see in the bottom there on the right, the last time we had any rain was 1/100th of an inch, which was June 23rd. And that was when we had a 100% chance of thunderstorms. We didn't really get any at this location, and all we got was that 100th of an inch. It continues to rain. It's 4:40 on Friday, I think it's the 27th of June, 2024. We have a 1/4 of an inch so far, and there's been lightning right off here to the south. We'll move over and see what we can see over here. Looks like it's going to rain for a while more, but this is awesome. All the plants needed some water, so this is really good. The lightning, we've been seeing it right out this way here, which is just south. Just let it run for a minute and see if anything happens. I'm also hearing lightning off to the east, or hearing thunder off to the east. Well, it's raining pretty hard again. It is just before 5, about 5 till 5, and we have 4/10 of an inch already. So we're closing in on a 1/2 inch, which is the best rain we've had definitely so far since monsoon season started, but in the last several months anyway. Enjoying, I don't know if you can hear that little bit of thunder, but enjoying this cool rainy weather for now. As the sun is setting, the lighting is just beautiful in the Santa Ritas. Still a mix of sun and rain clouds. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that rainbow. Just to the right of Elephant Head. That is really stunning.